Okay, so we've created our Blabberize meme, and if I press play here, you'll see the little mouth start talking. There we go.
Okay, so we're recording here. Hello, all students.
I'll stop it there. Okay, when you go, I want this video, currently, and I'm hoping it doesn't change before we implement this, you can click here to download, and it will download to your computer as an MPEG, which is a video file. So you click there, and you can see there it's coming down and downloading. So essentially what we want to do is upload this to YouTube, create a QR code that then links that to YouTube. So again, the process of doing that, this is in my downloads folder in Finder, so you'll be able to go and get that in a second. But if I go to my email here, every student has a YouTube account attached to their CloudShare email address. So I'm just going into YouTube. Easiest way is to go to the apps grid. You then go to YouTube, and you can see I've signed in up the top here. So if you're a student, you need to ensure that you are signed in before you upload. I click on upload, and then it's just a matter of dragging files to upload. So you can see down the bottom here, that's the QuickTime player. If I go show in Finder, okay, there it is there. I literally just drag it across and it will start uploading. So I might say paper use as the name of my animated meme. This community service announcement is to discourage the excessive waste of paper. Alright, so okay, yeah, it's picked up that it's a duplicate video, so just going to go back there. So once that's uploaded, it appears in your video manager over here. So you can see there it's rejected that because of this. Let me just delete that here for a second, and we'll try doing that again. Okay, so once the video is uploaded, you can see there's a URL which takes me to that video, and of particular importance is to ensure that that video is unlisted. And the way you ensure that is that if you hover over the padlock there, it should actually tell you. Okay, so only people with the link will be able to access this video, which is what we're encouraging with the students. So now that I've navigated to the video and I can see that we need to install, if we don't have this already, the Google URL shortener. It's readily available from the App Store. If you go into the App Store, you can find the Google URL shortener. Just searching for it, so URL shortener extension. And you can see that's what comes up there. So if you add that, then it will appear in your toolbar up here. So assuming that you've added that, then if I go back to my video, that's it there. I create a Google URL shortened link, which is that, but it gives you the added benefit of accessing that QR code. So the QR code is the quick link to that particular video, and even though the video is unlisted, essentially this will provide you the link to that. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just going to copy that image. Now your teacher will provide you with a presentation like this, and you can see that we've just changed the dimensions of the presentation so it's in portrait format. So the idea will be that you as a class will be able to go in, insert your image. So the meme that you have created, which is there, go to open. You can resize your meme, so you can see here I've click here and insert your meme. Literally just put that over the top there. Okay, we're going to remove that. Remember, I copied the QR code up here before. I'm now just pasting that. And there's the QR code for the Blabberise video that you uploaded to YouTube. So when I scan that in, it will take me to that video. Now, as a teacher, then you can download this as a PDF file and print it off on your colour printer, so you've got all consistent memes that could then be put around the school. But first, obviously, we would encourage the students to laminate them, and part of their competency in that area. So that's what that would look like, and you've got all the student work in the one place.